say na wala silang pinag-usapan pa sa Office of Vice President. Pero sabi niya, hanga siya sa tapang at talino ni Atty. Guanzon. At kung gusto ko raw magsalita, go lang ng go. Makinig tayong lahat sa kanya. So, there's really no official anything. You know, nagsimula yan sa fans. Gustong-gusto ng fans. Alam niyo naman ang mga fans ni VP Sara, gusto rin makabato. Wala ko sa Ilonggo pa. Pato man ta? Hindi daw, siling ko hindi nyo na ako pag-ikumparar kay Auntie Claire kag kay Attorney naman. Kay mauya to sila. Mas gwapa ko yan.
But if ever you'll be officially appointed, you'll be willing to accept the post?
Well, if the Vice President will ask me how can I refuse? But I don't think she needs a spokesperson now. Because she projects very well by herself. And I think she has very good advisors. And besides, the impeachment is already stalled. So I don't think there is a need right now. The impeachment is stalled.